You are the architect of your own destiny. You take your time and design it as how preferably you would want it to be. That is how life is all about. You have been created by the Supreme One, but the rest of your life has been ordained in your own jurisdiction. How you want to see yourself in the next years depends on you. How you want your life to be, it depends solely on you. If you want to live a successful life, you are the architect of it. Design it as how you would love it to be. That is how it is. The second rule to life: happiness is a choice. Choose wisely. I repeat, happiness in life is a choice. Choose wisely. How you would love to enjoy life depends solely on you. Your life, with that of everything that constitutes happiness, has been ordained within your jury. Choose wisely. Be very cautious with regards to people that you allow for them to tap into your life through relationship on the foundation of love, on the foundation of friendship. All these comments, be very vigilant, because there are some people who only tap into our life to harm us, to create pains, to hurt us, and later pull out of our lives. So, happiness in life is a choice. Choose wisely. Be mindful of people that comes into your life. I mean, sure. We are saying, Abraba Obon, and to say, who sit down. Say your person down in your piano. So dance if one episode see 4 rooms, 3 rooms, 10 rooms are in now and 1 in 7. In Abraba Obon, said you see a body piano, and to set down. I will see. Uberie. Now Abraba Wabo was sitting at Watna. I was sassy with you now. Now, yes, sir, a dime any single. When you pay a camera or the enemy. Say a soon binding but now on the pabia than enemy. Who say, Sir Dineway, as soon as you see it, say Elfo, and your fro, and you dear more, and your one cassa. A idea, and what's our channel. So you toss you, you also who say Abrabom and Nigia, and the apple top. And yet, Adomtv, a one that was said, who see who deny, now see who bumping. The other cemetery. Well, one Nigia, a woman seven. Nemo, say, oh, my crying, I'm a Nigia, and now, or Brabby about someone. I was so more any doubt. I want now for foam, a wawarium, a free set, a war baby or what, a power brabum, wabetete, how baby. You will very much do a boa brabum, you are the how, I'm at the one pregnant, no fluence. You are damn fool, you are a boa brabuma, but the yaw is soon a bitch. And into your brabum and Nigia, you will send me walk. Nemo, so here, you didn't answer, Paso, Yamishla, we shall be brave.